Welcome, seeker of the occult arts. Tonight, we explore one of the most powerful attraction rituals known in mystical traditions. This ritual uses a sacred incantation, a chant of hidden energy that can bend the flow of desire and awaken the force of love. And before we begin, remember, if these hidden arts call to your spirit, honor this channel by pressing subscribe and offering a like. It supports our circle and keeps the knowledge flowing. The sacred spell chant. The words are Om Chamunde Jaya Jaya Vashya Manaya Jaya Jaya Sarva Sattva Nama Swaha. This is a sequence of mystical syllables. Let us uncover their hidden meaning. Om, the universal vibration, the cosmic sound that begins all spells. It calls forth the unseen energies of the universe. Chamunde, a fierce mystical power, the spirit of transformation and dominance, clearing obstacles and igniting raw attraction. Jaya Jaya, a repeated cry of victory, amplifying the energy, declaring triumph in the realm of desire. Vashya Manaya, the command of enchantment, the binding of influence, bending the will of another towards your magnetic field. Jaya Jaya, again, victory, reinforcing the spell, ensuring success in attraction. Sarva Sattva, all beings, all living entities, the universal soul force upon which this spell acts. Nama, an offering of respect, aligning your will with the cosmic powers. Swaha, the sealing word, the release of energy into the mystical realms, sending your intention into the unseen. Together, these sacred words form a vibration of love, power, and attraction. And if you feel the resonance of this spell, don't just listen. Subscribe now and join our mystical circle. How to empower the chant. To activate this incantation, it must be repeated with dedication. This is called charging the spell. The seeker must recite it 10,000 times over days of practice. Each repetition builds a current of unseen energy. Each vibration awakens the power of the chant, binding it to your aura. Think of it as filling a magical vessel with fire. Once it overflows, the spell becomes active within you. If this knowledge awakens something inside you, let your energy flow back, like this video, to keep the current strong. The ritual of the flower. Once the chant is empowered, the ritual can begin. 1. Choose the correct day. Sunday, the day of the sun's passion, or Tuesday, the day of fiery Mars. 2. Take a fresh flower, a living symbol of beauty and attraction. 3. Hold the flower in your hand. Visualize the person you wish to attract. 4. Whisper the incantation into the flower 7 times. Om Chamunde Jaya Jaya, Vashya Manaya Jaya Jaya, Sarva Sattva Nama Swaha. With each repetition, you breathe your intention into the petals. The flower becomes a vessel of desire, a charged talisman of attraction. 5. When the one you desire inhales its fragrance or accepts it from you, the energy awakens within them. Their heart becomes magnetically drawn to you. If you're still here, seeker, then you are part of the chosen ones who value the hidden arts. Subscribe now so this knowledge never passes you by. The warning responsibility. But remember, seeker, this is not a trick. This is real. You are commanding forces of influence and attraction. If you use them without respect, they may bind you instead. Use this ritual only with pure intention. If your heart is honest, the spell will unite you with love. If selfish, it may entangle you in unexpected ways. And because this wisdom must spread to those ready for it, like, comment, and share this ritual. Let others join the circle. Guided chanting. Now, let us repeat the chant together. Breathe slowly, close your eyes, and feel the vibration. Om Chamunde Jaya Jaya Vashya Manaya Jaya Jaya Sarva Sattva Nama Swaha. Each time you speak it, feel the air vibrate. Feel the spell surround you. Feel desire aligning with your will. And so, seeker of the hidden arts, you now hold the secret of a love enchantment that bends the flow of attraction. Use it wisely. Honor the forces that listen, and may the currents of desire flow in your favor. Before you go, if you are truly a seeker, seal your bond with us by pressing subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments and let your energy flow back through a like. Together, we keep the circle unbroken.